Good morning, students. Today we will do chapter 3 of our books, the nervous system and the sense organs. So first I'll let you know what we will study in this chapter. To know about our nervous system. We will come to know about our nervous system, the parts and functions of a brain, to learn about the spinal cord. जो हमारा spinal cord है उसके बारे में we will learn why is it important part of our body, to learn the different types of nerves and their functions. So we will learn the different types of nerves, कौन-कौन सी nerves and what are its functions. To learn how message is transferred from body organs to brain and from brain to body organs. तो कैसे मैसेज ट्रांसफर होता है बॉडी ऑर्गन से ब्रेन के पास और ब्रेन से बॉडी ऑर्गन्स के पास, दैट वी विल स्टडी. हैव यू एवर थॉट व्हाई डू वी रिमेंबर द वे टू आवर फ्रेंड्स होम? हमें कैसे याद हो जाता है? व्हाई डू आवर आईज ब्लिंक? ब्लिंक मतलब खुलना बंद होना, लाइक दिस. वेयर डू ड्रीम्स कम फ्रॉम? हाउ डू वी कम टू नो व्हेन समवन टचेस यू? मतलब हमें कैसे पता चलता है? It is because of our brain. This brain helps us to think, remember, analyze, reason. Each activity of our body is controlled by our brain. मतलब हम सोच सकते हैं, हम याद रख पाते हैं, हम सही और गलत में डिफ्रेंशिएट कर पाते हैं, हम रीजन कर पाते हैं कि क्यों कैसे, ठीक है, all because of this brain. And under which system this brain falls? Under the nervous system. So what is this nervous system? Nervous system, it is the system that controls all the other systems of the body. मतलब जितने भी हमारे बाकी systems हैं, like the respiratory system, circulatory system, digestive system, all these systems of our body are controlled by the nervous system. It consists of nerves, fibers, which sends and receives messages from different parts of the body. मतलब एक पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी से दूसरी पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी के हमारे मैसेजेस लेके जाते हैं. नाउ आई विल शो यू द स्मार्ट क्लास पार्ट ऑफ दिस टॉपिक फर्स्ट. What happens when you touch something hot? क्या होता है जब हम कोई हॉट चीज को टच करते हैं? वी इमीडिएटली टेक अ हैंड बैक, ठीक है. व्हाट हैपन्स व्हेन यू एक्सीडेंटली हिट बाय अ हैमर? जब गलती से कई बार हथौड़ी हमारे हाथ पे लग जाती है, हम क्या करते हैं? वी टेक अ हैंड. हाउ डू वी टेक अ हैंड? बिकॉज ऑफ द नर्वस सिस्टम. नर्वस सिस्टम हेल्प्स अस टू, टेल्स अस टू ईट. हम स्मेल कर पाते हैं, हम टेस्ट कर पाते हैं, हम सुन पाते हैं, वी कैन सी, वी कैन थिंक, वी कैन स्लीप, वी कैन मेडिटेट, वी कैन रन, वी कैन डांस, वी कैन जॉग, वी कैन स्लीप, we can laugh, we can speak, we feel the pain, we can eat, we can draw, we can write. All these activities are controlled because of the nervous system. Our nervous system. So this is our nervous system. So now we will see what parts our nervous system consists of. Brain, spinal cord and the nerves. So this part is the brain, the spinal cord, this part is the spinal cord, and this red and blue color are the nerves that are present in our body. So now I'll tell you what is the brain, what parts are there of a brain. The first part is the cerebrum, second is the cerebellum, and third is the brainstem. This brainstem is also known as medulla oblongata. First we will study about the cerebrum. It is the largest and the outermost part of a brain. मतलब ये हमारा बाहर वाला पार्ट और सबसे बड़ा पार्ट है ब्रेन का. It is dome shaped. 85% of the brain's weight is cerebrum. मतलब जो हमारे ब्रेन का वेट है उसमें 85% कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन इज ऑफ द सेरेब्रम. The functions of cerebrum are it controls the working of sense organs. So हमारे जितने sense organs हैं उसकी working कौन control करता है? Cerebrum. It is responsible for thinking, logic, memory, learning and intelligence. मतलब जो हम सोचते हैं, हम कोई लॉजिक लगाते हैं या लर्न करते हैं या हमें याद रह जाता है, जो हमारी इंटेलिजेंस है, all this is controlled by the cerebrum. Now I'll show you the photo of cerebrum. This is our brain. ठीक है? Brain controls the movement of a body and its various parts. Like man is able to walk, he's able to run, he's able to jump, she's able to eat. This is all because of the brain that we are able to do all these activities. Brain keeps our heart and lungs working. So the heart which is working, the lungs which are working, it is because of this brain. Our brain. So this is a photo of our brain. Now let's see which parts are there of our brain. This is the cerebrum, the largest part, cerebellum, this smallest part, purple color, and this blue color is our brainstem, which is also known as medulla oblongata. So first we will study about the cerebrum. This is the cerebrum. This is dome shape. इस shape को हम dome shape कहते हैं, ठीक है? This is the outermost part of our brain. The functions. It helps us to think, to memorize, and intelligence. All these are the functions of cerebrum. Learning, sense organs, that is sight, hearing, taste, touch, and smell. These all the functions are controlled by the cerebrum. Now let's see what does our cerebellum do. It is the little brain. It is present towards the back of our head, behind the cerebrum. It is smaller than cerebrum. So इसको हम छोटा brain भी कहते हैं. ये हमारे head के पीछे होता है, behind the cerebrum, मतलब cerebrum के नीचे. It is smaller than cerebrum. It is very small as compared to cerebrum. It maintains balance and posture of our body. जो हमारी body का balance बनता है, जो हमारी body का posture बनता है, that is done with the help of this cerebellum. Regulates and coordinates movement of muscles. So जो हमारी muscles की movement है, that is also controlled by the cerebellum. This purple color part, this is the cerebellum. It is located at the back of the brain below the cerebellum. So ये brain के पीछे है, at the back of this below the cerebellum. Helps to stand upright. All of us are able to stand because of the cerebellum. Helps us to move around and maintain our balance. जो हम walk कर पाते हैं, balance बना सकते हैं. This is all because of the cerebellum. Now, I'll show you the brain stem. What things are there for the brain stem? It is present just below the cerebellum. तो जो हमारा cerebellum है उसके नीचे is the brain stem. It is the lowermost part of the brain, means सबसे last part है ये, simplest part of the brain. This is one of the most simplest part of the brain. It is responsible for vital functions such as breathing, digestion, control, BP and heartbeat. मतलब जो functions हमारे control में नहीं है, like breathing, it is a continuous process. Digestion, when we eat, we digest. BP जो हमारा blood pressure control होता है. Heartbeat, the pumping of the blood. All these functions are controlled with the help of this brain stem. It controls all the involuntary muscles movement. Means the muscle movements which are not under our control, मतलब जिनको हम control नहीं कर सकते, that are controlled by the brain stem. It is the fattest organ in our body. Brain cells need lot of oxygen to work at high level of excellence. So lies beneath the cerebellum. So this is the brain stem. It is below the cerebellum. Brainstem starts from here, and this is the spinal cord. So brainstem connects the brain with the spinal cord, rest of the brain with the spinal cord. ये ऊपर हमारा ब्रेन है, ये हमारी ब्रेन स्टेम है, ये हमारी स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. तो उनको the part which connects the brain stem with the spinal cord and the brain is the brain stem. ठीक है. Brainstem controls the activity of breathing. जो हमारी breathing की activity है, this is also controlled with the help of brainstem. Digestive system. This is our digestive system. So it is also controlled by the brainstem. All the blood circulation is controlled by the brainstem. Do you know front of a brain is larger than any other animal's brain, even than that of a dinosaur. मतलब जो हमारा front है brain का, जो आगे वाला part, this is larger than any other animal's brain. Even dinosaurs' front part of the brain is smaller as compared to ours. Spinal cord. So the nerves surrounded in the vertebral column forms the spinal cord. तो जो हमारी nerves होती है backbone की vertebral column की, they all together contribute to make a spinal cord. Nerves are protected by backbone. It starts from lower part of brain and ends through the spine. तो वो brain के lower part से शुरू होके spine के end तक जाते हैं. What is the function of the spinal cord? It helps in the transfer of information and nerve signals between brain and rest of the body. तो ये information transfer करते हैं brain से rest of the body तक, and all the reflex actions are controlled by the spinal cord. So first let me explain you what is a reflex action. These are the actions which are not under our control. मतलब जो हमारे control में नहीं. Like if we touch anything hot, we withdraw our hand. वो that is a reflex action, and all these reflex actions are controlled by the spinal cord. We all have a backbone which is called spine. So ये backbone, this is known as the spine. This is a spinal cord. Spinal cord transfer information between brain and rest of the body through nerves. So these are the nerves जो ये side पे. With the help of these nerves, spinal cord transfer the information between the brain and rest of the body. This is the brain. These are the nerves. So now nerves carry information from parts of body to brain and then back to the body. मतलब body से brain के पास और brain से वापस body के पास messages are transferred with the help of nerves. In case of reflex action, it is controlled by spinal cord instead of brain. So जो reflex actions है, they are controlled by spinal cord, but they are not controlled by the brain. There are three types of nerves. One is sensory nerve, second is motor nerve, and third is mixed nerve. Sensory nerve carry message from various parts of the body to brain or spinal cord. मतलब हमारे जितने भी वेरियस पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी है, मतलब लाइक अ हैंड, अ आईज, वहां से मैसेज लेके वो ब्रेन के पास लेके जाते हैं. Motor nerve, they carry the message away from the brain or the spinal cord to the muscle where the action has to be taken. तो वो ब्रेन से वापस जहाँ पे एक्शन होना है, जैसे I want to speak, तो वो ब्रेन से motor nerve is taking that action and bringing. Mixed nerve, they carry both the functions, means sensory nerve also and motor nerve also. Both carry both the functions, carry message from the brain and bring back to the brain. मतलब वो लेके भी आते हैं और दे के भी आते हैं. These are the mixed nerves. Sensory nerve, motor nerve, mixed nerve. Nerves are the pathway through which messages are transferred. Sensory nerve. Sensory nerve brings message from sense organ to the brain. So these are our 5 sense organs, that is sight, hearing, taste, touch and smell. They bring the messages from here and they transfer to the brain. When a mosquito bites your finger, a message is sent to the brain by sensory nerve. मतलब ये mosquito is biting the finger. So the message is sent by the sensory nerve to the brain. Motor nerve carries message from the brain to other parts of the body. तो ये brain से बाकी body के parts तक message लेके जाता है. When a mosquito bites a finger, motor nerve sends the message back from the brain to shoo away the mosquito. So now from brain the motor nerve is bringing the message that make the mosquito fly away. Mixed nerve carry messages from brain and to and from the brain. मतलब लेके भी आ रहा है और वापस भी लेके जा रहा है. Cerebrum, brainstem, and this is the cerebrum. Next, these are the actions of the body. That is the voluntary action and involuntary action. This we have already studied also. Which we do consciously, means जो हम हमारी will के साथ करते हैं, like riding a bicycle, ironing clothes, jumping. All these are the voluntary actions, and involuntary actions are the ones which we do without our conscious, like yawning, sneezing, hiccups, हिचकी आना. ठीक है? Pumping of heart, blinking of eyes. All these are the involuntary actions. So the reflex actions are the involuntary actions which are not under our control. Taking hand away from touching hot object and sharp object. Mouth watering on seeing yummy food. मतलब जब tasty food देखते हैं मुंह में पानी आ जाते हैं ना, that is the reflex action. Blinking of eyeballs on seeing something coming near to our eyes. मतलब एकदम से हम आइज बंद कर लेते हैं अगर हमारी आइज के पास कुछ आ जाता है. Some strange thing comes. It is a rapid and automatic response generated by a body to sudden change in the surrounding. तो एकदम से जो response आता है जब कोई भी sudden change हो जाता है in the surrounding. Rapid means fast, automatic means quick, and response means the reaction. ठीक है? Reflex actions are controlled by the spinal cord. Reflex action is an involuntary action, withdrawing the hand from the canal. For that, brain is not required. Only the reflex action. Spinal cord is required in this. When a mobile phone vibrates, which of the following nerves sends the message to brain that something is calling? Sensory, motor, mixed. So this is the nervous system. Message, organs, nerve. Message, nerves, brain. Spinal cord to brain, message. Then brain to the organs. This was all about this chapter. Hope you all have understood the chapter. If you have any doubts, you can ask me.